When things began changing a couple of months ago, we at Einstein's Workshop experienced the same anxiousness that the majority of the world was feeling. How would we adapt? We spent some time reaching out to parents to see what would be helpful for them. Their responses showed us that some kids would benefit from virtual classes and some needed some time out of the house and in the workshop. We're excited to be able to offer both face-to-face with social distancing camps as well as online virtual classes. We have worked hard on preparing for the safety of our students both online and in the building. Our online environment is secure and safe for our students, and we use our own private servers for Minecraft. We've developed rigorous cleaning and hand washing procedures and designed a camp in which kids wear masks and stay healthy. So things may look a little different this summer, but that's why we're proud to be a small company that can quickly adapt to the needs of our students.